Hi folks, the Flying Scotsman here. Welcome to this video. If, like me, you are subscribed to email newsletters from places like Groupon or Wish or Living Social or something like that, sometimes they will feature something that's so absurd that you're left feeling like, what? And sometimes, when faced with some of these absurd products, you just have to bite. Sometimes the price is just right, so you think, you know what, I'll take a punt on this. And that is exactly what happened to me when I saw this in my email one morning. Now, you might be wondering, what the hell is this? Well, it's an Angry Mother microwave cleaner. I kid you not, this is actually real. So basically, on the back it says, just fill her with water, white vinegar, and maybe even a squeeze of lemon or lime for a citrus fresh clean. Then place her in the centre of your microwave, cook for 7 minutes and watch her literally set off steam. Angry Mother's specifically designed head contains steam vents that will send hot, clean steam to every corner of the interior of your microwave. Once she's done, you can use the remaining heated water to dampen a cloth and wipe any food stains and residue clean away. So I thought that this might not be a bad purchase. Might make it somewhat easier to clean my own microwave. So let's get this out of the box. Now, luckily, she's available in an assortment of hair colours. You can get her in blonde, purple, red or brown. Because my mother is blonde, this is the one that I got. So, so I think what you have to do is you have to unscrew her head. James Cribbins, what am I doing? You basically take her hair off and basically fill her with water and a wee splash of white vinegar. Now, I don't have any white vinegar, I just have brown. So, I thought it was going to work with baking soda, but I apparently miscalculated on that one. So, let's have a look. I think brown vinegar should work just fine anyway. Malt vinegar with shaker. Now I don't honestly know if I can remove the shaker, so I might just have to just pour it in using it. So sorry about the camera work there. I'm just kind of squeezing the bottle. That's quite a bit of vinegar. Oh, vinegar. Nice. Next, I'm just going to take it over to the tap and fill her up with water. Yeah, would you like a drink? So now the angry mother has been filled up with water. I've put her hair back on. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to set the microwave for 7 minutes. And we'll put it in. And then I will show you the time lapse of her heating up and exploding. And what I'll do is I'll speed the film up so you're not waiting there for the entire 7 minutes. Full power. 7 minutes. Start. Let's see if she's doing a spodey thing. Well, the microwave certainly seems to be a lot damp. Jeng's crevins. But, ow. Yeah, that's hot water, would you believe it? It's been in there 7 minutes. Certainly seems to be working, but you can't really see through this door, I don't believe. So, yep, the vinegar has nicely boiled over. And it is hoaching a wee bit of vinegar in here, but nothing too bad. So, right, that'll teach you to clean your microwave. So there we are. So hopefully what I should be able to do now is use a wee cloth and just kind of clean up any excess grime. So let's go and do that. Let's take this plate out, shall we? I'm not stable at all with this sort of thing. Let's take out the runners. And then, like I said before, it should just be a simple matter of just kind of wiping away any residue from the microwave with a damp cloth. I do believe it's actually worked. Sorry, I know my head's in the way. I'm trying to trying to work out if I can see if my microwave's clean or not. So there you have it, I think. We have a nice clean microwave. And what I will do is I will wash the microwave plate out. Hopefully now I should have a much cleaner microwave. So with that said, I think this is the end of the video. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to the Flying Scotsman YouTube channel. If you're looking for more things The Flying Scotsman, you can also follow the Flying Scotsman YouTube channel Facebook page and follow me on Twitter. To see my latest video, click on the link within the browser window. In the meantime, thank you for watching and please do feel free to join me for my next video. Cheery bye.